Welcome to AIMasteryHub. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating world of AI-generated art. From paintings to music, AI is redefining creativity. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is AI-generated art? Well, it's essentially art created by artificial intelligence, but what does that really mean? AI-generated art is a fascinating intersection of technology and creativity where machines are programmed to produce works of art. These machines use complex algorithms and vast amounts of data to generate something that can be visually, musically, or literarily appealing. This can include anything from visual art like paintings to music and even writing. Imagine a computer composing a symphony or writing a novel. The possibilities are endless and continually evolving as technology advances. For example, AI can analyze thousands of artworks to create a new piece that mimics a specific style. It can study the brushstrokes of Van Gogh or the compositions of Beethoven and produce something entirely new yet reminiscent of these masters. This process involves deep learning and neural networks which allow the AI to understand and replicate intricate details. In 2018, an AI-generated artwork sold for $432,500 at Christie's auction house. Pretty amazing, right? This event marked a significant milestone, showcasing the potential and value of AI in the art world. It opened up a new dialogue about the role of machines in creative fields and how they might shape the future of art. Potential and limitations of creative AI. As we delve into the world of artificial intelligence, it's crucial to understand both its potential and its limitations. AI-generated art has some incredible capabilities. These systems can analyze vast amounts of data and learn from it, enabling them to create art that is both intricate and unique. It can produce complex pieces in a fraction of the time it would take a human. This efficiency opens up new possibilities for rapid prototyping and experimentation in the creative process. However, while AI-generated art is impressive, it lacks the emotional depth and human experience that a human artist brings. The nuances of human emotion and personal experience are difficult, if not impossible, for AI to replicate. So there are definitely some limitations to consider. For instance, AI struggles with originality and often relies on existing data, which can lead to issues of plagiarism and lack of true innovation. Understanding these challenges is key to effectively integrating AI into the creative arts. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the fascinating world of AI. Your feedback and suggestions for future videos are invaluable to us, so please share them in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more engaging AI-related content. We're curious to know your thoughts on a hot topic. Can AI-generated art truly replace human creativity? Or does it merely complement it? Let us know what you think in the comments. Stay tuned for more exciting explorations into the realm of artificial intelligence.